Hello everyone, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about the topic VPN free ZenMat Roblox. Now let's know why is this topic trending in Brazil, United States and United Kingdom. But for knowing it, you need to watch the video till the end. Also do not forget to like the video, share the video and hit the bell icon to subscribe to our channel. This will keep you updated with all the latest and trending news each time. So friends, now let's move further and discuss about it in detail. So, what is ZenMed VPN? It can be defined as the best available Chrome VPN extension which will be useful to hide your IP address, and it is freely accessible everywhere. You can download it through the best VPN browser extension for the Google Chrome, and you can get unlimited bandwidth with fast connection speeds. Now it has an official site, that is ZenMed VPN. Now let's know some of the important features of it. So it is available as a browser extension, as we have already informed you. Besides this, it is available in 4 locations with maximum 2 Mbps speed. You can choose from the plans, like first one is Ultimate, which has 100% no logs policy plus 79% plus locations with unlimited speed. It is available at a price of $1.64 per month. Now, if you want to know more, you can click into their menu section and check their features also. There is an option of anonymous VPN, unblock streaming, kill switch, stream live sports and many more. Besides this, if you want to know why to select VPN, you can click on why VPN, and this will show you variety of new things like unblock websites, hide my IP, private browsing. You can know about proxy and unblock YouTube. Now if you want to see their support section, let's click into the support. So here also they have provided some details regarding how can you get the trial and different solutions to the questions of most of the people. But if you have any further query, you can mail them as well. So friends, this is all about our today's topic, but if you have any further query or update regarding it, you can share it with us in the comment box. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed and be safe. Thank you guys.